In the first step, now go to the starting point, the G sharp, play the G sharp with a power chord. I want you to play the first string, play the second string, play the first string. So you have are you seeing that? Play the first string, 6th fret, play the first string, 7th fret, play the second string, 6th fret, play the first string, without naming the notes. After doing that, I want you to repeat now the progression. Now you see it becoming easy because I've already explained it in the second part of the video. Alright, so you see now it's becoming easier because I've explained everything in the second part of the video. So I'm not going to dwell too much on this thing, alright? So follow the progression, and then I want you to follow the progression, and then play a B flat. Let me repeat that part. You have follow the progression, play a B flat, play string 4. When playing a B flat, play string 4 and string 2. A lower melody. And then G flat, play string 1, play string 1, and then play a B flat, and then a G sharp. Let me repeat. You have are you seeing it? I want you to see everything. Yeah, are you seeing it? And then play G flat. Follow the progression just like that. Play string 1. After playing string 1, play B flat, and then play G sharp. You have all right. Now let's move to the last part. Doing all that, after doing string 1, remember today I'm not naming the notes, okay, because of time. So I want it to be very short. After doing all that, play G sharp melody there. Go to string number 6 and play another melody. Go to string 4 and play another melody. I've said do this. You have repeat the same process. Repeat the same process. I don't know why this thing you're not seeing it clearly. Repeat the same process. Okay. Finish by G sharp, and then last progression. Finish up by play string 1. When in G sharp, play string 1, and then play a B flat, string 3 and string 2. Play a G sharp, string 3 and string 2. And then go to fret number 1, play, finish up with. The shortcut for playing this melody here is just playing another B flat. If you don't want to do like this, if you don't want to do all that, just do just use your third finger instead of first finger, second finger. Just use your third finger to play everything all together. The shortcut for this melody, you always use your third finger to play everything together. But if you want the longer way, the longer method, just use your first finger and your second finger. So finish up by. Are we together, guys? So that is how you play Taxi Driver. It was very simple like that. Why is it very simple like that? Because I've already done everything in the second video. You watched the second video. That is why it became so simple. So that is why I didn't even explain too much of everything. So let me demonstrate now. That is how you play Taxi Driver. And then I'm not hiding those parts. It's just that I can't control my guitar. Kwa saa zingine kwa kamera pia unajua ni shida, inajificha, so siwezi control, sijaficha anything, sawa. So that is how we play Taxi Driver, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Do like, do share, do comment, subscribe.